Hello, today I teach you English grammar and my topic is phrase. Let me explain what is the phrase. A group of words that makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Means phrase is a group of words. It makes sense but not complete. It makes its sense complete when it is used in a sentence. It doesn't contain any finite verb. It is the definition of a phrase. Example, into the air, in the west, of the great beauty, in the sunshine, for the sake of, at length, etc., etc. These are some examples of the phrase. Into the air. It is a group of words. It makes sense, but not complete, as we have given in definition. Let me make sentence using this phrase. He shot an arrow into the air. Now the sentence is complete. Into the air is used in a sentence. This phrase has been used in a sentence. He shot an arrow into the air. Similarly, in the west, the sun sets in the west. In this way, you can use all these phrases in your own sentences. This is the definition of the phrase. Now, kinds of phrases. How many kinds are of phrases? Phrases are of three kinds. Adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and noun phrase. What is an adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a group of words which does the work of an adjective. Look at this sentence. He was a generous man. Generous is adjective. Man is a noun. This word generous is adjective, not adjective phrase. But in the next sentence, he was a man of generous nature. Generous man, a man of generous nature. It is adjective phrase. There are some other adjective phrases. Man of, made of gold, with blue eyes, man of manners, man of means, an act of kindness, a friend in need, birds of flock. Birds of flock fly together. In this way, you should use all these adjective phrases in your own sentences. Now, adverb phrase. What is an adverb phrase? Like an adjective phrase, an adverb phrase is also a group of words which does the work of adverb. Now, look at this sentence. He walks fast. Fast is adverb. Fast is adverb. In next sentence, he walks with fast steps. With fast steps is adverb phrase. Now, other examples. With great speed, At an early date, once upon a time, at that time, in a short time, in a brave manner, in a beautiful style. You should use these adverb phrases in sentences of your own. In a beautiful style, he writes beautifully. Beautifully is adverb, but he writes in a beautiful style. It is adverb phrase. Now, noun phrase. I love to paint my thoughts. To paint my thoughts is noun phrase. I enjoy walking in the morning. Walking in the morning is noun phrase. To know oneself is a difficult task. To know oneself, it is noun phrase. Thinking good thoughts makes a good man. Thinking good thoughts is a noun phrase. As noun can be subject, can be object. So, in the same way, noun phrase can be used as a subject or as an object. I love or compliment. I love to paint my thoughts. Love is a verb. To paint my thoughts. To know oneself is a difficult task. To know oneself is a noun phrase. It is a subject in the sentence. This is the usage of noun phrase. Other example, playing cricket, reading this book. You can use these noun phrases in your own sentences. This was the lecture about phrase. What is phrase and what are kinds of the phrase. Thank you very much.